You already know I'm back here. Yeah! I'm so excited. I wanted to do this for a very long time. And now today is the very big day. But first, we have to get over. No other way. Man, I gotta say, it's like 90 degrees here. I gotta hurry before it gets dark. I'm running out of time. Honestly, what am I doing? What am I doing? This Manhattan. Nah, never again. There's a sidewalk right there. Right there, there's a sidewalk. Just went to the shortcut, that's it. So much rocks in my shoes. All for that. We're in the city. Part of Manhattan in Miami. This is where I'm at right now. Man, I came all the way from Cali. That's where I'm from. I don't live here. Hey man, I'm not from here. We're getting closer by the second. Oh yeah, here we are. Here we are. What you hustling, bro? Yo! Hey, like I said, I'm not from here. I'm from Cali. But damn, I'm gonna miss this city. Oh, here we are. It's the river. Here we are, finally. 2 hours. 2 hours, bro. I'm here. Bro, I gotta go all the way there.
I could have sworn there was an ocean. An entire ocean. Hey, it's gone now, eh? See you tomorrow.
I mean, I came all the way here for nothing, yeah? All the way here for nothing. Never mind. Hey. We got some work to do, man. Stay hydrated. Drink up now. I brought like 4 bags. Also brought this. Why do I need this, huh? You already know, safety first. Well, here we go. I mean, I'm gonna give you an update. I got my bag here. Hey. I'm on the streets with my cattle. Quick update for y'all. Got some scrap, some bottles. Halfway. Running on the streets with my ball. So much work. Hey, y'all better join me. Y'all better join me. I'm saying. Hey, this ain't no amateur hour. 1 bag. 3 more to go. Damn. Hey man, this is a residential program. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm just joking. I'm doing this from the bottom of my heart, from the good of my heart. Ooh. Quick update. 2 bags, 2 out of 4. Let's go. By the way, if y'all get inspired by this, if any of you get inspired by this, tag me. Let me know. Tag me. I ain't doing this alone, yeah? Woo. Quick hydration break. Oh damn, that water good. Okay y'all, 1 more bag to go. Come on, we could do this. 3 bags out of 4. Come on. Oh boy. I finished work over there. I came here and I got a lot to do. I only got 1 more bag. If y'all want me to come back, let me know. I'ma finish the entire, I'ma clean this up, man. Do the same thing. Tag me. I can't be the only one doing this, man. That's really demotivating. Come on, 1 more back. Come on, we could do this. Yeah, look what I found. And look at this. This is ancient. I mean, this has to be ancient. I ain't crazy, man. This has to be ancient. I just noticed. look at this. This is in the middle of nowhere. This is a forest, bro. I mean, we are in the middle of nowhere, yeah? So what's up with this? What is this, huh? This gotta be ancient. I might sound like some schizo, but hey. Anyways, let's go. TV. But not for real though. Like, all jokes aside, what is this? Like, trees, grass, garbage. And what is this? Like, how old is this? That's what I'm trying to know. That's why I came here to begin with. Alright, y'all. We done it. 4 bags. Tiny bags, but next time I'm gonna bring 10 more. I'm gonna bring 10 bags. Please do the same thing. Record yourself, tag me. Repost this, tag me. Please spread the word. We could do this. I can't be the only one doing this, yeah? Man, God is great. Look at the nature. Look at the nature. Peace, quiet. Except there's a lot of garbage. Obviously, I'm not gonna leave this here. The people are just gonna throw this everywhere, yeah? I'm gonna take this, put it somewhere far, and yeah, I done my work. I done my part. Please do your part. We all gotta do our own parts. We all gotta do our parts, yeah? God bless. All of y'all be thinking, what difference does it make? There's no difference at all. You're right, but it's about spreading the message. I can't do this alone. That's why I'm spreading the message. All of us could do this together. Do your part. Yeah, I'll just leave it over here. I ain't gonna be carrying this over down the stairs. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it over here. I bet once I come back, it's gonna be everywhere, all over the place. I mean, you see how dirty this place is? Someone gotta do something. Hey, but I'm proud. I done my part. Do your part. I mean, this is so demotivating. It took me about an hour to fill 4 bags. It took me about an hour to fill 4 bags, eh? And you see the type of mess this community brings. It's just disgusting, yeah? So if you live in such community, do your thing, do your part. United we stand, divided we fall. I mean, look at all these great houses. Beautiful houses. And now look at this. 3 cameras? What you need 3 cameras for? This is crazy. Garbage, pollution, rats, roaches. This is ridiculous. This is the Bronx. The Bronx, my first time in Bronx. I'm from Cali. I'm leaving in about 2 weeks back home. Hey, it's a great city, but some boroughs, they just ain't it. Anyways, I gotta get my eyes out of here. I'm glad I ain't the only one. Yeah! We're just still hustling. Everybody hustling out here. Some time ago you could swim in this river. Now that's different. And I gotta say, someone who lived in Cali and still lives in Cali, New York City, way better. Way better. Yeah!